All right, are you craving an outdoor RV adventure, but the thought of packing seems just too overwhelming? Well, Johnnie Walker RV is simplifying your RV camping trip. Mike Davis visited Johnnie Walker RV to get you the tips that you need for a great trip.
Are you ready for your first RV camping trip but don't know what to pack? Well, that's why we're here at Johnnie Walker RV, so they can help us with the perfect RV camping checklist. Let's go learn some more. Okay, so now we're here with Roland Schaefer, a salesperson with Johnnie Walker RV. Roland, thanks so much for being with us. So you're going to be telling us some of the essentials we need to have on our RV camping checklist. What do you got for us?
So to start off with, I think everyone should go camping with a barbecuer. That's where I cook my breakfast, lunches, and dinners on. I like to have the steaks and eggs in the morning, of course, for the leftovers, not just having the baked beans and hot dogs over the fire like most people think of camping. So with that, I have the griddle. That's cook the breakfast things, and the utensils. You don't want to forget the utensils, because cooking steak with a plastic fork,
not any fun.
Doesn't work very well.
Yeah.
Tried it before. Hatchet, it's also not just for cutting wood, you can use it as a hammer, so it's a multi-use tool. Flashlight, because a lot of times when you get parked, it's at nighttime. You get off work late, you get to the campground, it's not always well lit, so being able to see what you're doing at night. And the tools. You never know when you have to fix things, whether it's change a tire, just little knickknacks here and there. Having the essential tools for that is always good. When you're camping, you like to be able to sit down. Sitting at a bench isn't always the best, so being able to move this around, if you're going down to the lake, you can put this in the water so you're nice and cool.
Right.
And I always go camping with my dog, so having a long leash where you can just tie it up and let him run around your site there and not have to monitor him all the time, it's almost a must-have.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. And lastly, the bike, right?
Yeah. Pretty much all your campgrounds will have a place that you can ride, especially if you're going with friends, they're not always going to be next to you. So instead of having to hoof it all the way across the campground, if you're on one side and they're on the other, you can now ride there. There's trails around. It's just a good way to get out and go exploring what RV is about.
Sense. These are a lot of good reminders, a lot of things that just make the whole overall RV camping experience so much more fun. Roland, thank you for all of that. And you guys might remember last time I was here with Johnnie Walker RV, we were talking about the Johnnie Walker RV Happy Camper Photo Hunt Contest. Now we actually have 3 winners. We have Lindsay C., William and Mary M., and Richie G. Congratulations to all the winners.
All right, thanks, Mike, and congratulations to the winners. For more information on the Johnnie Walker RV, visit jwrv.com or call 702-451-3565.